Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying requirements and locating OneDrive. First, check your Mac OS version and sign into your Microsoft account. This ensures compatibility. Next, open Applications or Launchpad and search for OneDrive. If it appears, launch it now. If OneDrive is not installed, download it from the App Store or the official installer, then run the installer. Make sure to allow requested permissions when prompted. Without them, syncing won't start, and proceed to the initial sign-in step. Now you'll sign in and configure syncing options. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and carefully pick work or school versus personal to match account policies. Once signed in, choose the local OneDrive folder location, pick a drive with enough space, and use Selective Sync to keep only needed folders on this Mac. Enable Finder integration and files on demand so files appear without full downloads. Finally, decide whether OneDrive should start automatically. Once done, syncing will begin in the background. To finish, verify syncing and address problems if needed. Click the menu bar OneDrive icon to view status. Green checks mean synced. Blue arrows indicate active uploads or downloads. If files don't sync, sign out and sign back in, restart the OneDrive app, and confirm Finder and folder permissions. Check Microsoft account storage quotas and network connectivity. If issues persist, reset or reinstall OneDrive after backing up local files. Doing that clears stuck states while preserving cloud data.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.